Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 23 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So yeah, today finally I also woke up at 4 a.m. I did my stretching, vision board, made my bed, drank warm water, 2 glasses, and then I prayed, did my workout. Workout was truly exhausting today, but I tried to keep going, and yes, I got the success. I also lost 45 grams. Not much, but I'm happy about that I'm losing weight. And I did not even, like, usually what happens when I lose weight after eating something, the very next day I gained that weight, but this time I lost weight like 45 grams. But the thing was, when I ate, still I did not gain any weight after that, like for the next day. So that was kind of good. I wanted that only. So yeah, that means the workout is helping. Okay, after that I meditated, I did my eye exercises, breathing exercises, and then I had some time to, like, until I finished my workout session and all this exercises session. So I had some time. So then I said to watch the sunrise, and it was so beautiful. The birds chirping, flying around, it was really mesmerizing. I felt really great. And after that I went and then journaled, read book, then I watered my plants, I brushed, bathed, did my skincare, and then prayed. After that I did my course for 45 minutes. Then today finally I made a healthy juice. Yes, so I made this healthy juice out of beetroot, carrot, cucumber, lemon, and some honey for taste. And it really tasted good. Okay, it was very nice. Then there was a Zoom meeting of a yoga class, so I did that. After that I thought of doing the editing parts and like scheduling the videos for that day. So I did that. Then I made lunch for myself. I had my lunch. Then I practiced my model walk for an hour, and then I did my editing. I posted the pics from the shoot on my Instagram, and they really got good response. Then I drank tea and I took a break from all this. After that I got freshened up. I had jackfruit, which our neighbors actually gave. I was craving for jackfruit from such a long time, and now it's the season of jackfruit, and I'm so grateful that I finally, even if it was like some pieces of that, but still I got to taste it. So I was truly happy to getting the chance to taste the jackfruit. Then I did some scrolling, and then I had my dinner. After that I did the DIY home face pack for my underarms and for my face, and I applied that. So until it was there on my face and my underarms, like for drying, that time I did the uploading and the editing work. After that I washed it, and then I did my skincare. Then my mom, she had also brought some mangoes, so I went and quickly had them because I could not stay until the next day. So this is the season of mangoes and jackfruit, and there is no chance that we can leave without eating them. So yeah, I just quickly ate the mangoes as well. After that I washed my mouth because of course I had the mangoes, and then I went to sleep by 8:30. So today's day was quite productive, and it was as per my routine that I had mentioned, the time and all. So it went perfectly aligned with my routine, with my timetable. So it was a great one. I did everything that I had written. So yeah, I felt good, and that is how my day 23 ended. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.